My name is Callum Mclear and this is my bike check. These are my bars, don't know what they are. Got standard Wheelie People grips, federal bar ends, Colt top loader stem with exposure bolts. Got Wheelie People Trust 2012 frame and Wheelie People forks. A proper rim laced to a proper hub. With just max sole bridges pegs. Then getting them back for sheet, dowel. Duo tambles, no tyres. Now got E-clap pedals to Wheelie People stock cranks. Salt Plus sprocket. Halfords chain. To the back. Got a Hoffman seat, kink seat post to Salt Plus clamp. To back wheels, a proper rim, laced to a Primo Remix. That's about it for my bike check.